Welcome to Jazar YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a double ladder for 3D printing. Let's get started. We are going to draw a ladder and ladder S. You can draw any ladder using this method. In the Home tab, select Isometric View, and then select Front View in the Coordinates dropdown. Go to T command and enter your desired ladders. Now go to Express tool, select Extrude Text command, and select Text. Trim the extra parts with TR command. Type BO for boundary, select pick point and click on the middle of the both text. Extrude both texts with EXT command. Subtract the inner side of the text with SU command. Rotate the one ladder 90 degrees and place it center to center of the both ladders. Go to Intersect command, and then select both models and hit enter. Here you have single object with both ladders drawn. You can see both ladders by rotating the model. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.